Dan jika PSM meraih hasil positif, mungkin akan menjadi tim pertama yang meraih 3 kemenangan beruntun. Akan menjadi pertarungan yang sangat menarik karena kualitas kedua pemain yang dimiliki kedua tim ini menjadi hal saja sengit pertarungan di tengah.
So tomorrow, if we want to make a good result, we must be focused on all the moments of the game. And if we want to be a big team, we need the supporters of our supporters. In this moment, between Dewa and PSM Makassar, the big difference is the supporters. PSM Makassar have more supporters than Dewa. In all the other things, Dewa is better. So please, supporters, come tomorrow. I know that is Monday, but come tomorrow. Come to support our boys. are important.
Semua pertandingan itu penting.
And guys, one thing, today is Monday.
Hari ini hari Senin.
And we know that it's difficult for supporters from Suarez to come
Kita
here.
pasti tahu mereka pasti sulit datang ke sini.
But for sure,
Dukung kita.
these guys that are here make big sacrifice to come.
Tapi siapapun yang ada di sini, mereka pasti berkorban untuk kalian teman-teman.
And you know how much people are watching you and try to pray and try to
pasti
support
banyak
you away.
di luar sana. Dan pada saat kita away,
And you don't imagine how is happiness if you make good performance
dan pasti
for them.
mereka sangat senang sekali
And
kalau
also,
kalian berikan
and guys,
performa
and also
bagus.
for us.
Dan
We
juga
just
sama kita teman-teman.
five. It's total different. We finish our
Kita akan
job
lima.
today with 3 points. I know
Kalau
that is
beda rasanya kalau kalian mendapatkan 3 poin di laga ini.
I know that is difficult.
Saya tahu ini sulit.
I know that we need to support our
Saya
teammates.
tahu kita harus saling motivasi.
I know that we need to respect the
Harus saling
opponents
respect.
and the referee.
Lawan wasit,
But guys, give everything.
kasih segalanya teman-teman.
Give
Kasih
everything.
segalanya di pertandingan ini ya.
You want to win?
Hard work on training, hard work on the team. You cannot do anything alone. There's many more matches to play, so we need to keep on going match by match, and we will see where it gets in the end.
Sedang direview dan kita akan menunggu keputusannya. Meskipun memang dari sudut pandang asisten wasit tadi offside ya.
Kembali akan dicek ya pemirsa oleh VAR kali ini. Kita akan sama-sama lihat.
Oh, dinyatakan gol.
Ternyata gol ya pemirsa ya. Ternyata gol, itu dia. Memang kita agak sulit melihat.
yang saya bilang tadi, lututnya Yura itu bertemu dengan lututnya Taisei ketika dia mencoba melakukan gerakan berputar.
Makassar unggul 2-1 atas Dewa United.
Iya, sebuah kepintaran dari Neto mendahului, menjemput bola ketika pemain Dewa menunggu, dia mendahului.
Berbahaya satu serangan gol dari PSM pemirsa. PSM masuk ke dalam berbahaya, kali ini ada angkat bola. Gol untuk 3 kali pemirsa percobaan bagi Daisuke Sakai untuk bisa akhirnya mampu mencetak gol lewat tendangan voli sempurnanya kali ini. Dan selebrasi kita bisa lihat ya, selebrasi unik ini pemirsa.
I'm very grateful that we get to keep 3 points at home. That's the most important. The team put very big fight. We had 4 matches in very short time, so big congrats to the team.
lah, ya Allah. Harder.
Don't forget one thing. You must have responsibility with your instrument of work. That is your body.
Tanggung jawab masing-masing untuk menjaga kondisi kalian, menjaga badan kalian, menjaga apa yang badan kalian yang kalian gunakan untuk kerja.
Okay? Who's gonna make under 20? 27, 28, 29? Okay, there. I go to see the videos of the trainings, everything. Okay? And on 5, everybody training.
Dan tanggal 5 semuanya latihan, tanggal 5 sore.
Anyone want to say something? No? Come on. A win of this, we need to have music here, man. Nobody put music. Hey, Lasinari. Come on.
One song.
Oke. Dari manajer.
Nelfon ke manajer.
Oke, pelatih, official, pemain, selesai pertandingan, berdoa, dimulai. Selesai.